Squarespace e-commerce tutorial for beginners. Hello guys, Celia here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create our own online store on Squarespace. This platform was created to make our website creating much easier, and it's pretty easy to create our own online store on Squarespace. Here we are on squarespace.com. Let's click on get started and let's start creating our own website. If you're new to this platform, you'll have to create an account. It will be easy as for you to continue with Google or Gmail with your Gmail account. You can easily sync them and it will be pretty easy. So here we are on our templates area, and Squarespace provides us the opportunity to use templates they've created to build our own website, or in our case to build our own store. So here we are. If we open something related with our stuff, I'm going to click on online store. We can find a lot of different opportunities we can use. For example, this one here looks pretty cool. We can easily find all the products, and also we can manage some other stuff. Let's click on preview to see how will it look like. And basically you need to know that we will customize every single element inside of this shop. So it doesn't matter if it's about shoes or clothes or some other things. It will be easy for us to customize everything. Let's click on start with this design to create it as for ourselves. And the next step we need to perform is to select the name. So let it be like store, let it be store 1. Let's click on continue, next, and get started. So here we are, and the first thing I would like to perform is I would like to change all the fonts, and I would like to change a color palette. Let's click on site styles, fonts, and here we need to change our fonts itself, and also I would like to change my colors. So yeah, all the steps are quite simple. You can easily follow them and it will be easy as for you. In my case, I'm going to use this color palette because I would like to add some cloths related with a red color. Let's go back, and now we can click on save, and all the changes will be automatically saved. Now our website looks like this. Let's also change some animation. I would like to add a fade animation, and I would like to add a spacing, so let's make it a little bit smaller like this. So yeah, let's click on save once more, and now we can easily interact with all the stuff. Let's click on exit, and here we are on our workspace for directly this website. On the website folder we can manage all the pages: shop, about, journal, contact, and so on. In order to manage every single page, we just simply need to select it and then click on edit in the left top corner right up here. Or we can edit like products directly. For example, this one here, we can click and then just simply edit all the stuff. We can change a detail page. How will it look like as for us? How will our product look like as for customer? For example, I would like to choose this design here. So now, as you can see, it was automatically changed. Let's also manage our product, by the way. So we need to open a commerce, go to products, and here we can easily find all the products we have. So we can manage them, we can edit them, or we can delete all of them and then just simply add a new product. We can also import it from Etsy, Shopify, or big cartel platforms, or upload a Squarespace CSV file. We can download a CSV template if it's necessary. Let's try to add a new product. So all we need to do is just simply click on add product in the right top, then choose physical, and then just simply choose the necessary one. I'm going to upload an image. I have image on my computer, so I'm going to use desktop and then just simply use this screenshot. After that, we need to add a price. Is it on sale or not? How many pieces we have, add some additional stuff, and then just simply click on save. After that, our product will be automatically added to our shop, and as you can see, it was added right up here. Of course, we don't have a name. We can change the visibility like public, hidden, or scheduled. It has its like number, stock amount, and a price. So as you can see, all the steps are quite simple. On the orders area, we can easily manage our orders. On the customers, we can find customer information. For example, is it lead, customer, first time customer, repeat customer, and something like this. Yeah, on the analytics, we can find some information about traffic, geography, sales by product, purchase funnel, and manage some other stuff. All of them are worth you to visit this website by yourself and to deep dive into this platform, because if you want to start your like e-commerce career with Squarespace, I suggest you to open it by yourself and just simply find much more information. So let's try to customize our page. Let's open a shop area and then let's click on edit. So we'll come to our editor where we can find how does our website look like. Firstly, I would like to change the title. So here we need to change the name. Let it be Helper Months Store of T-shirts. Yeah, like this. As you can see, our name was automatically changed, and also we can add or delete different sections. In my case, I would like to add a section about our team. So let's add a team section, for example, this one here, and let's move it under our products. For example, I would like to manage that this woman is like our designer. Like this. As you can see, all information was changed like in real time. Also about this guy, let him be like an co-founder, and this girl should be like a director. Yeah, like this. So yeah, now our website is basically ready to be published. We can click on save, click on exit, and go to the previous page on our dashboard. And as you can see, our website was automatically created. Now I have 2 of my websites. And if we're going to speak about e-commerce plans for subscription, we can find that we have like 2 plans as for us. I'd like to show it to you, and both of them are different. We can easily find some information about them, and we can find all the information right up here. We have a basic for $27 and advanced for $49. In order to sell something, we need to buy one of these plans. So then, hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe, and goodbye guys.